but on solution they used to miss out. And here I would like to show you something. Maybe many of you have been knowing it. When the Indian Constitution was being framed, when it was finalized, a debate occurred. Should we present it just like a book? Because India was getting free after hundreds and thousands of years in many ways. Or should we incorporate the heritage of India? This debate went on. And ultimately, Nandlal Bose, the famous painter from Bengal, was commissioned to fill in the pages of original constitution with ideas which they themselves conveyed. And in the year 2000, when I became MP for the first time, we had 50 years of our independence, constitution. And we were given the original copy of that constitution. And I would request all of eminent people present here and in the audience to have a copy of this. I would like to show a few pages of that. Saurabh, please bring it here. Because I think this is going to be a very important issue which you may debate. This is the original constitution, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show something about it. And the first is on the citizenship and the sketches, the Vedic life in India. Above the citizenship, the first is the Vedic life in India. And then came the fundamental right. Please open it. This is the fundamental right before that, the director principles. I'll just show it. Give me one time. India is a big country. The original constitution was also big. The fundamental right chapter. And what is the sketch? Lord Ram returning to Ayodhya from Sri Lanka with Sita and Lakshman. That is the second part. Then you have the director principle of state policy. And the sketch is Lord Krishna, Upadesh about Gita in Mahabharata. Natraj Nikal. Mr. Malhotra, you were talking about Tamil Nadu. On finance, property, contract and suites is the image of Lord Nataraja. Okay, that is there. You have Rani Jhansi, you have Maharana Pratap, you have Kabir Das, you have Mahatma Gandhi, you have Subhash Chandra Bose, you have Akbar, but not Aurangzeb. Remember it. That's very important to be appreciated. And the last, Saurabh, please show me the last page. I would like to show the signature of all the leaders there. The last page. This is the signature of all the leaders, including Rajendra Prasad, the chairman, Sardar Patel, Maulana Azad, Dr. Ambedkar, Nehru ji, and all the members are here. Today, the reason as to why I am showing this document to you, ladies and gentlemen, and Constitution of India is the main basis of our governance. Many of the friends of the left talk of, I believe in constitutional nationalism. Okay, good, okay. Have you seen the spirit of India, the original constitution, what it talks about? But the reason as to why I showed it today is, if at all, hypothetically speaking, the constitution was to be framed today, and if the Constituent Assembly decides to have the same sketches in the constitution today, will it be allowed? Or there will be a debate? And there will be a lot of editorials, and there will be a lot of pamphlets. India going communal. I think that is the level to which our heritage has been almost, I would say, hijacked by people who enjoyed state power, came with collusive research designed to weaken the morale of India, which began in 1942, where the imperial war overnight became the people's war in the wake of Second World War. You know it very well. And that research still continues.